Hey guys, welcome to Pagecloud Tutorials. My name is Robin, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a header for your website. Having a header is super important because it allows your users to really easily navigate around your website and find what they're looking for. Let's get started. So every Pagecloud template will come with a header section, a footer section, and all the regular sections in between. For a breakdown of all the sections on your site, you can go to your left toolbar and under sections, you can see your header, all your body sections, and your footer at the bottom. The difference between a header and footer section versus regular sections in your website is that headers and footers will sync site-wide. This means if you make a change to your header on your homepage, that change will also be seen on your contact page, for example. If you want to hide your header or footer on a certain page, you can go to your sections overview, click the drop-down arrow, and click hide. So most Pagecloud header templates are going to include a logo image and a menu navigation. The logo and the nav are going to be grouped together using an auto group. If I click here, you can see that now I have the auto group selected, and I'll start by swapping out my logo. I can double click the logo, click replace image, and I'll add the Pagecloud logo. You can upload your own logo from your computer, or you can search for an image using our Unsplash integration. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. There we go. If you don't already have a logo and you'd rather just use a text box to display the name of your company in your header, I would recommend clicking on your auto group, and under size and position in your editing menu, you can ungroup the auto group. Then you can select the logo and delete the image. Then in text in your left toolbar, you can add a text box. Edit your text box. Now you can select both the text box and the nav. And back in your edit menu, you can click auto under group. And now that the objects are grouped together, you can go to auto group layout and swap it from vertical to horizontal. Then you can align the content the way you want and justify the content the way you want. So the next thing I'll edit is the menu links. I can click again on the auto group and then double click on the navigation to edit the menu links. Now you can link to one of your pages, a section on your page, to your email, to another website, or to a phone number. You can also just leave the menu title blank. I'm going to link to one of my pages. I'm going to select my blog page, opens in current tab, and the menu label, I'll make blog. And once you apply and close, you can see that that is added to your navigation. To style your nav, just select the navigation again, and you can go into text to edit the font, font weight, change the color. You can also go into main menu to change the spacing or add a different accent color. Now that you have your menu links updated, you can go to the mobile editor and you can choose the style of nav that you want for your mobile website. You can double click the nav and choose between a hamburger icon, a scroll menu, or a stacked menu. Personally, I like to stick with the hamburger menu. So you can also style header sections the same way that you can style any regular Pagecloud section. Just make sure that you have the header selected in your editing menu. You can scroll down and you can add a background image or a background color. The only other difference between a header section and a regular Pagecloud section is that you can add a position effect to your header. For example, I can click on sticky, which would mean that my header will stay stuck to the top of my page as I scroll down. We can preview that. So you can see now that as I scroll down the website, my header stays at the top of the page. So those are the basics in creating a header. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more on building your website on Pagecloud.